I just got done making little favors for my class. It's the Nativity Christmas scene in a jar, and it has trail mix, so it was super easy to make. Let's get started. Only took 5 minutes. Thanks so much for being here, everybody. My name is Audrey, and I absolutely love party planning and making little gifts for people that they can use, and I love finding things in my pantry that I can kind of gift out. So again, some of this candy did come from the dollar store. What you see is every single ingredient that we have here is going to be 2 cups of it all, which really, when I got everything from the dollar store, it just so happened that the packages worked out to be either 1 cup exactly or actually 2 cups. And then once we get to the Musketeers, I had, 7 jars that I had made, and I was able to put 3 Musketeers in each jar. So that's just how many were in the bags. That actually worked out pretty perfectly. Okay, so we're gonna start actually filling these jars now, and then I have some ribbon. So first things first that we're gonna do is start to actually take the lids off. Let's get our jars set up here. Okay. All right, I want to do this. I want to get a glove. That's what I want to do. So I do have clean hands, but whoa. Okay, let's see. We're gonna take, a handful like this. And yeah. Here. No, you need clean hands. This is cute. Go on.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
So now that all of our jars have been filled, these look super duper cute, and I actually was able to put three coins? Yeah, we put 3 coins in here, and then also 3 Musketeers for the 3 wise men, which I thought was super great. So I'm gonna take these, and I'm going to take our ribbon. I'm gonna wrap our ribbon around each jar. You okay? What? And then we will be on our way with our little nativity project. I think these came out really cute.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream I knew.
So I think the hardest part of this project was seriously cutting the ribbon. I really had to think about which direction to cut the ribbon, because sometimes I ended up with a point and then I had to go back and redo the angle, but that's just me. So if anybody else has a hard time with that, let me know. I don't know. I really have to think about it, but it's really cute when it all, comes together. So this really was a fun project. Again, it only took me 5 minutes of putting it together, and that was with my girls helping. So if you like this video, please give it a like, a comment, a share, and let me know what you've done for your classroom videos. This is the final take of it, and I can't wait to give them to my class. God bless all of you. Take care.
I only wanna be